Hello everyone and welcome to another modding video. In the next couple weeks we will not actually be talking about modding. Instead I will be doing a mini-series about text editors. Text editors, or editors in short, are simply programs that can read and edit files that contain text or programming. There are a wide variety with each their own benefits and drawbacks. In this mini-series I will be showing you how to use these editors in ways that you haven't before and give you the info that you need to make the decision of choosing your editor. I will also show you recommended settings for your editors and some useful feature. Since I use the Atom editor myself, I will be most familiar with it and thus be slightly biased, but I have used both Sublime and Visual Studio Code before. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the first part of this mini-series, which is on the most boring editor there is, Notepad.